children. This is our phonics class, and in this class we are going to learn some new phonics sounds of letter J and K. So all of you take out your English course book, page number 21. Okay, 2121 and 2222. It's about our phonics sounds that J and K. Now let's start the first phonics sounds of letter J. J makes the sounds like J, J, and the words are J, J, jug, J-U-G, jug, J, J, jog, J-O-G, jog, J, J, juice, J-U-I-C-E, juice, J, J, jeep, J-E-E-P, jeep, J, J, jeans, J-E-A-N-S, jeans, and J, J, jet, J-E-T, jet. Once again, J makes the sounds that is J, J. So, J, J, jug, J, J, jog, J, J, juice, J, J, jeep, J, J, jeans, and J, J, jet. Okay. Now go to the next alphabet letter, that is K. K makes the sounds like K. K means it's hard K. When you pronounce means the phonic sounds of C also K, but it's soft K. But K phonic sounds like hard K, means K, K. Okay, the difference you see, C's phonic sounds like K, K means it's soft, and K's phonic sounds like K, K means hard. Okay, so K makes the sounds like K, K. The words are K, K, king, K-I-N-G, king, K, K, key, K-E-Y, key, K, K, kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo, K, K, keek, K-I-C-K, keek, K, K, kite, K-I-T-E, kite, K, K, keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Once again, K makes the sounds like K, K. Okay, so K, K, kite, K, K, kangaroo, K, K, king, K, K, keyboard, K, K, kick. Okay, so let's practice, and this means the phonic sounds of letter J and K. Okay.